If you're facing a Stripe account error, it can block payments, payouts, or even access to your dashboard. Yeah, this usually happens because of verification issues, incomplete account details, or security restrictions. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you how to solve Stripe account errors quickly and get everything back to normal. First, look at the exact error message in your Stripe dashboard. Stripe usually tells you what's wrong, like missing verification, restricted access, or required updates. One of the most common issues is incomplete verification. Make sure your business details, identity documents, and bank information are fully submitted and approved. If any of your account details are outdated or incorrect, update them right away. Even small mismatches can trigger account errors. Stripe may place restrictions due to disputes, chargebacks, or compliance checks. Review your dashboard for any alerts and follow the instructions provided. Sometimes a simple logout and login can refresh your session and clear temporary errors. If the issue still isn't resolved, contact Stripe support. They can review your account and help fix specific errors quickly. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe account errors so you can continue processing payments without issues. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.